Hello there guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how to add design on stairs in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into using quick selection tool, polygonal lasso tool, vanishing point, and blending options. So let's get started. In our document, I prepare here a stairs that we're going to put a design with. And on the other document, this is the kind of design that I want to apply on the stairs. So, the first step we're going to do here is that we're going to create a selection on the stairs and extract it from the background. So to do that, going on to the layers panel, click on the background layer to make it active, then go to the toolbar and let's go and find the quick selection tool. It shows this icon. And from the options panel, I'm also going to click on this for us to add more selection, okay? Not just once. Now, let's start making selection. All right, so I'll start from here, the top, okay, something like that, and going down here. Make sure not to miss this anything on stairs. All right, now that seems fine. Now let's extract it by pressing Control or Command plus J to create its own layer. So going on to the layers panel. Now I'm going to name this extracted stairs as, of course, stairs. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, moving back, the next step we're going to do here is we're going to add a new layer. So to do that, just go here at the right bottom of the corner and find on this icon. This is to add a new layer or create a new layer. Click this one. And we're going to name this layer as Vanishing Point. There you are. Alright, so click on the Vanishing Point layer. Then go to the menu bar, go to Filter, then find Vanishing Point. We are already in the Vanishing Point window. Okay, so in this part, we're going to create planes for perspective. Okay, so I'll be starting creating planes on this area. Alright, so to do that, all I have to do is to first create a point here. And also on the other edge, something like that, of the stairs here. And let's close this plane like this. All right, there you go. So you can adjust that one. All right, now we're going to extend the plane on the steps. Okay, so to do that, all I have to do is to press Control and hold it. While holding it, I'm going to click this point and drag it here, something like this. All right, look at that. So it creates a perspective on the steps. See, okay, and then I'm just going to adjust this one. All right, this one, and that's it. Okay, and let's do another perspective below it. Okay, so I'm going to press Control, just drag it. Look at that. All right, there you go. And another one, press Control, hold, and drag. Okay. Now it's getting more better. Okay. Press Control, hold it, drag this point down. Okay. Something like that. Let's do the same thing here. Make sure that the stairs are covered with the plane. All right. Now that seems better. Okay, then also we're going to add another plane from the top, from where we start. Okay, actually this is where we start, right? Same thing, press Control, hold, and drag this one up here. Okay, this one, press Control. All right, something like that. If the stairs are not covered by the plane, well, you can do it this way. So from the point on the side, from left to right side, I'm going to click and drag. Okay, to extend it to the right, and this one to extend it to the left. Okay, now look at that. The plane already covered this area. Now let's keep on extending this plane. Press Control. There are. All right, now that looks better. So have you noticed that the stairs are already covered with this plane? Okay, and then after that, we're going to hit OK first. Actually, we're going to go back here later on. Okay, let's just hit OK first. Actually, the planes that we applied there is already saved, actually. Then let's go to the other document. Now I'm going to press Control plus A to select the image. There you go. Then press Control plus C to copy. Let's go back to our original document. Go there on the vanishing point layer. Then let's go to the menu bar again. Go to filter. Then select on vanishing point. Just what I've said. It's saved, so we don't have to worry about it. Then let's paste here the image that we're going to apply. Press Control plus V to do that. All right, there you go. Now I'm going to click and drag it on the plane, something like this. All right, that looks better. You can also rescale this one if the image is too big or if it's too small. Okay, so to do that, I'm just going to find. So to do that, I'm going to deselect this one first. Press Ctrl plus D because there's a selection. Then let's do the transformation by pressing Control or Command plus T. All right, there you go. And then I'll be dragging this one here. All right, make sure that the image cover the whole stairs. All right, I think this one is okay. Then hit enter. Okay, now we already have this perspective paint applied on the stairs. Now moving on, we're going to do the clipping mask. So going on to the layers panel, yeah, from this vanishing point layer, make sure the vanishing point layer is over the stairs layer because we're going to do the clipping mask here. So to do that, all I have to do is to right click on this vanishing point layer and then find create clipping mask. Okay, so look at that. We already clipped that image here. Then after that, we're going to change the blending mode of this vanishing point layer. So click on this, go here, and then you can choose the blending mode you want here. All right. So in my case, I will be using multiply. Okay. Now actually that looks realistic. Okay. But I still have to fix this because I don't want that there are paintings on the steps. Okay. So I'll be fixing that. All right, so let's start that. Now I'm going to right click on this vanishing point and then find blending options first. Okay, actually this one is just a temporary blending. Okay, so I'm going down here, underlying layer, and press Control and click and drag to have this point. Okay, so I'm going to drag this one, something like this. All right, I'm doing this in order for me to see the edges of the stairs, okay? Because we're going to remove those paintings on the steps, okay? Then hit OK. Then after this, we're going to make use of the polygonal lasso tool. So going on to the toolbar, find this icon, right? That's the polygonal lasso tool. From the options on top, I'm going to click on this for us to make more selections, okay? All right, so I'll start creating selection from here. Something like that. Add another selection on the steps here. Like that. Also here. So I'll do it for the rest of the steps. Alright, so once you cover the steps with selection like this, make sure that you're selected on the vanishing point, and then I'm going to hit backspace. Alright, now let's deselect. Press Control plus D, and there you go. All right. So actually, we just have to fix a little bit to this. So again, just what I've said, I'm going to change the blending options here. Right click on that layer and then select blending options. Okay. So under the blending options, I'm going here at the underlying layer, and you can start adjusting this ones for you to create a realistic paint on the stairs. Okay. So I'll start fixing on this. From shadows, I'm going to move this one here, and then for the highlights, okay. All right, so maybe I'm gonna set this one to 150. That's better, right? And I'm satisfied with this. Then hit OK. And there you have it. Now let me show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to add design on stairs in Photoshop.